In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start setting up ranks in your network area for your affiliates. So what we're going to do is navigate over to the network by clicking on network over here on the left-hand side, and then we're going to come to setup. From here, we're going to click on ranks. So now you'll see that we've got two ranks already available. We have customer and affiliate. Now, if you're creating a uni-level affiliate system, then you don't need to do anything else. If you just want to have a basic affiliate system where you get your affiliates in and they sell to customers, you're good to go. You don't need to do anything else here. But you can go ahead and click into this affiliate rank and you can change it. You can create assignment rules that will automatically assign users to this rank, but I'm going to leave the assignment rules alone for this training playlist as it is quite advanced and we just want to cover the basics in this playlist. So you can create assignment rules that will automatically assign this rank, but for right now, we're leaving it alone. You can then come along here and you can change the name of this rank. You can assign a specific color to this rank. You can enable or disable demotions, and we're going to leave it disabled because in this use case scenario, there's no point in enabling demotions at this point in time. Our affiliates can stay an affiliate and they don't ever have to be demoted back down to customer or lose their affiliate rank. They can just keep it once they've signed up. All right, and then you want your status, whether it's enabled or disabled. And then we also have some advanced settings, which I will go through in a more advanced playlist. Again, for now, we're keeping it very basic, very simple, just going through the basics. All right, once you're happy with the setup, you're going to go ahead and hit save. I've made no changes, so I don't really need to save anything, but we're good. All right. If you want to create another rank, say you want to create a gold rank that receives a little bit more commission than your affiliates, you can go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and add a rank by clicking add rank on the top right hand side. We're going to call this gold. We're going to select our color, which we're going to choose that yellow color. Again, demotions disabled, status enabled, and we're not going through the advanced settings right now. All right, then you're going to go ahead and hit save. So for this training playlist, we're going to be manually assigning these ranks to users. All right, so now we've created our gold affiliate rank. We can go ahead and just save any changes we've made and navigate back here. So now I want to go ahead and add a user to the system and assign this rank. So I'm going to navigate over here to my contacts. I'm going to add a contact and we're going to go with Betty White again. And it's going to be betty@demo.com. And then we're going to hit save. And now to manually assign a rank to this user, I'm going to scroll down to my ranks over here in the network settings. And I'm just going to assign the affiliate rank to her. I also want to make sure that her status is active so that she can start receiving those affiliate commissions. I'm then going to go ahead and hit save. So let's go a little bit more into statuses. So let's navigate back here to our network area and we're going to come to setup and we're going to come to statuses. Now we've got two statuses. We've got inactive and active. For a basic affiliate system, you really don't need much more than this. So statuses are essentially going to help you manage your active and inactive affiliates. So say an affiliate hasn't made any sales in 3 months and you want them to be automatically moved to an inactive status so that they stop receiving any kind of commission, you can go ahead and do that by setting up the automatic assignment rules in the inactive status here. But again, I'm going to go into assignment rules in a more advanced playlist. You can also change how much commission they receive depending on their status. So you'll see in our active status here that they are receiving a 75% commission. So they're not receiving 100% commission, they're receiving 75% of all the commission rules that we have set up, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next video. So we're going to click into this status and we're just going to come here to our advanced settings and I'm going to make sure that the commission retention is 100%. I also want to make this the default status so that when someone signs in, I don't have to go and manually change the status from inactive to active. It just is automatically active. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now when anyone joins as an affiliate, they're going to be given the active status and start receiving 100% of the assigned commissions. So that is how you can start setting up ranks and statuses in the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can start creating commission rules and setting those values. I'll see you there.